Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your speaker Philips EverPlay with your PC. You have to start by press one time at the Windows button on your keyboard and then write Bluetooth. If you see Bluetooth and other devices, press on it or click Enter. Now at the right top you need to click Add Device. If you have Windows 10, not Windows 11, you will see a device button at the top. And also click on it. In this window you need to select Bluetooth. And now we need to turn on these headphones and enter to pairing mode. So at the right side of your speaker we have power button, and you need to press and hold this button to turn on your speaker. And this speaker enter to pairing mode automatically if you do not connect it with another device. But you can also enter to pairing mode manually by press and hold at the Windows button what located near to the power button. So you just press and hold, and you need to hear this sound. It means that you enter to pairing mode. After that, you just click on it at the device list and then click Done. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!